All right, let's talk about breathwork certifications. And I'm being a little quiet because everyone's still asleep at my house here, except for my puppy. So if you hear him, that's the background noise. So let's talk about why most breathwork certifications are really kind of letting people down in the end. People are going to pay anywhere between a few $100s to multiple thousands of dollars. And where breathwork certifications can be really positive is you're going to learn a lot about the mechanics, you're going to learn about the theory behind breathwork, you're going to understand the anatomy of the diaphragm and the lungs a little bit better, and some of the physiological effects that you're going to get from that. That is where breathwork certifications can be helpful. Where most breathwork certifications are going to let you down is on how to actually build out an event or a workshop or a class, and most importantly, how to fill up those seats. Those are things that are really not taught in almost any of the breathwork certifications, because most of the people teaching it don't really know how to do that themselves. So one of the things that I'm really proud of putting together is a program called the 5-Hour Breathwork Business, which not only teaches the theory, the mechanics, but kind of the how to do it, actually the tangible stuff that people are looking to do, how to build a class, how to fill the seats, how to market it, and most importantly, how to make an impact in people's lives and allow the money to follow that. So it's the first time I think there's really been a program like this where it kind of just encompasses everything around that. So definitely not saying it's a negative thing if you are going to get a breathwork certification. I got certified through the Wim Hof Method Academy, super positive, but where it lacked and where most certifications lack is in teaching you how to actually go out and build the class, the workshop, the event, and make money from it.